What if you can't decide between schnitzel and potato pancakes? Just combine them. Crispy on the outside, soft and juicy on the inside. I start by grating the potatoes, then I rinse them in water and squeeze out as much liquid as possible. Next I pound the meat nice and thin. I prepare my breading station. First flour, seasoned with salt, pepper and garlic. Then the meat goes into the egg, which I also seasoned. And finally into the grated potatoes, seasoned again. I fry everything in lard until golden brown, crispy and cooked all the way through. And that's it. The perfect combination of potato pancakes and schnitzel.